In 1908, Alva J. designed the very first electric washing machine, changing the way households approached laundry. This innovation made the process faster and more accessible, revolutionizing the way laundry was done. As time went on, the 1940s saw the introduction of automatic washing machines, further simplifying the task of doing laundry and making it even easier for households to keep their clothes clean. Over the years, washing machines continued to evolve, with the addition of features like different wash cycles, temperature settings, and energy-efficient designs. Today, washing machines come in various types, such as top-loading and front-loading, offering a range of options to suit different needs and preferences. The invention of the washing machine has significantly transformed household chores and improved cleanliness standards worldwide. This invention revolutionized the way laundry was done, making the process quicker and more accessible for households. As time went on, automatic washing machines were introduced in the 1940s, further simplifying the task of doing laundry. The evolution of washing machines, with features such as different wash cycles, temperature settings, and energy-efficient designs, has been a game changer for households. Today, washing machines come in various types, such as top-loading and front-loading, offering a range of options to suit different needs and preferences, significantly transforming household chores and improving cleanliness standards worldwide.